Finding bestsellers and trending products is key for Amazon affiliates and influencers. Viral Vue makes that process easy by showing you exactly which items are taking off. Once you log in, Viral Vue gives you instant product insights using live data. No more guessing what might sell. It's all in front of you. Go to Product Finder. Here you'll see products sorted by viral score. High scores mean high momentum, perfect for Amazon reviews. Expand the product to see sales history, revenue potential, and placement in Amazon's carousel. That's how you decide which ones to review first. Save the video to favorites or track it over time. Viral View keeps updating the stats so you can always focus on trending items. If you want to review Amazon's next bestsellers before everyone else, Viral View is the tool. Use the link in the description to get started today.